We just rode the elevator in there. Aw, the mourning dove stopped hooting. That's sad. There he goes. I love that sound. Oh, there he is up there. Can you see him on the camera? Yeah. Hello, Mr. Dove. I think that's what those are. I love the sound those make. Anyway, this is at the Fort Morgan Library and Museum. Well, this is a nice place. Wow, fancy.
Alright, elevator is over here. Let's see here. Looks like it's over here. Dover Impulse.
Ah, yes. Good old Dover Impulse.
This might be a ThyssenKrupp Impulse. This one looks pretty new. Yeah, it is.
I actually think this is a TK.
There's Snoopy. Yeah, this is TK. Opens on this side.
Oh, look at that. This is like a whole museum out here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. You can look at the exhibits quickly. I'll show it if you want to look. Big windmill there. Looks like an old steam engine over there. Phone booth. Pretty neat. But anyway, if I had time, I'd stop and look around the museum, but I got to get to Omaha today. Woo-woo.
Or are we just sitting here?
We are, just really slowly. Wow, we are barely moving right now.
I think we stopped.
Okay, there we go. Damn, that was slow on the way down.
And there it goes.
And what? It took us like 30 seconds to get down 4 feet. That's